Hi learners, how are you today? My name is Teacher Rahab and I'm here to do some activities. Are you ready? I hope you are ready at home. And here we come. We are going direct to our lesson. And here we come. Now this morning we are going to learn about sand soil. This is called sand soil. And today we are learning what activities we can do on the sand. Now, before we start our activities, it is good to take care of our clothes. So what you're going to do, learners, if you have an apron, you put an apron so that you avoid yourself dirty. And if it is okay, you can move ahead. And now today, I want us to introduce you something about sand soil. And in my sand soil today, we have this one. It's called dry sand. And we have wet sand here. So on the dry sand, which activity can you do? Yes, can I hear from you? Well done. We can draw. And what do you think we can draw? Can I hear from you? Good. A circle. We can draw a circle. So, you take a stick and you draw a nice circle. What else do you think we can draw? Wow, triangle. You can come here, get a stick and draw your triangle shape. Wow, these are all the activities we can do on the sand soil, the dry one. So whenever you get sand soil at your home or on the beach, you can use it to draw because it is dry. And now I want us to see about the wet sand soil. Wow. Now, what makes our sand soil here wet? What do you think? That our sand soil is wet? Well, you know what we can do? Imagine if you're not on the beach, you can have a watering can. We call this watering can. Now, what do? You get some water and then you sprinkle on the dry sand. So what happens? You get wet sand. You see? Here we have wet sand. Now, do you know we can still continue with more activities on the wet sand? Yes. Imagine we can also draw on the wet soil. Remember, this is all about our unit of work, about the sand that we get on the beach. So I can come here and use something like this. And what do you think I can draw on the wet sand? Well done. House. I can draw a house. And now I'm going to draw my house there. So there are so many activities that we can do. You can draw a house. You can even dig a hole. On sand soil, you can dig a hole. So these are so many activities, boys and girls, we can do with the dry soil and the wet sand soil. And now learners, if you are not at the beach, you are at home, how can you get wet sand? Imagine. We said, remember, we have been saying you should be resourceful. So you can take a watering can. This is a watering can. And if you don't have a watering can, you can continue to be resourceful and get a cup for putting water on the dry soil. So you come here, this is a dry sand, and you sprinkle water. And by sprinkling water, that's the way you're going to get the wet sand. And this makes you continue with activities at So parents, when they are making the dry sand to be wet sand, you can take them a nice video and send to us as they continue to be more creative. And this enables you to continue making so many activities at home. I hope you have enjoyed the lesson. Continue keeping safe until we meet. Bye. Bye.